Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to add a button on your Canva website, then this video is for you. So first thing, I'm going to take a website template here. I'm going to search for it. Now here you can find different types of website that you can use. So I'm going to take a website from here. For example, this one, it has already a button embedded, but I'm going to take this one here. Now for example, we can do is simply click on customize this template here, and you can find lots of choices from here. Now you can find all the pages you can see here. Now if you want to add a button, then you can find this web page here, and you can add it from here like a button. So I'm going to add a button. So for that, you can do is left side, you can find lots of features that are available on Canva. Now you have to go to the elements. Now when you are on elements, you can search for buttons. Then hit enter, and you can find different types of buttons. Like you can go to the graphics, or you can find the photos, or you can find this. This is not the buttons actually we are looking for. Here is some buttons here. Here is also another one. You can choose according to your needs. So this is the matched color. So I'm going to check this one here. Now here you can see it has just added. So you can find this button here, like this. Now, for example, I'm going to add a text from here. Like I'm going to add a subheading shop now. For example, this text here. So I have just added it. Now for example, I want to match this text with this texture. So we have to change the font style. So I'm going to change the font style here, that actually showing you the recommended font here, that actually pretty much similar. So we have to make it bold. I'm going to make it bold here, and yeah, that's pretty much. Or you can add it more shop, all of them. I'm going to add it all of them in the capital letter. Now I have just added it. Now you can place it on your button, and you can adjust the size if you want so. So just like this, I'm going to adjust the size here and place it at the perfect place. Here it is. Now here you can see I have just created the button, but how you can make it work or responsive? So you have to do is simply click on this text and the button, or you can select whole thing together. Just click on any place and drag toward this button, and it will select both of them, and you can find group. Make it a group. Now when you have create a group here, you can find this three dot button here, where you can find the ungroup section here, or this one here. Also you can click on the text here. Now when you have click on text, for example this, and select the text, you can find this link option here. Simply click on link, and now you can add that expected page that you want to redirect the traffic. For example, I want to get to this website here. So I'm going to do is simply click on publish here. So I'm going to publish it, and yeah, it is just published and return. Sorry for that. I'm going to view published site here. Now when I'm on the site here, I'm going to select this URL, and I'm going to paste this URL, the link, and simply click on done, and you can find it has just added, or you can embed any code if you want so. Now done, and you can see underline has just added to this text here. Now anyone who wants to click on it, then they will be able to go to that page here. So for example, if I just simply download it, like any of this from here. So I'm going to download the website from here, or we can download it, go to the website, we can link it to the website, the site URL. So we can add anything like anything from here, test, anything from here, and simply click on publish. So if we prepare the design, then you will see that it will prepare design, and you can find the website from here, the view site. And when you are on your site, just like this, you can find the button here. And when anyone click on this button, it will automatically redirect them to that page. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.